Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Bluetooth device from your computer. So if it's a little bit stubborn, an easy way to go ahead and just delete this is by going down to the bottom left and type in Device Manager and then open this up. Now, when we have this open up, we want to go to the Bluetooth options under here, and then we want to find our device. Now, you might not be able to find it because it could be hidden. So if we go to Bluetooth, we can expand this and we can look through this list. So I have a lot of them on here, but let's go up to view, go to show hidden devices. So for some reason, your device could be just hidden under here, and that's why you're not able to see it. So for example, here's my Moto G stylus 2023. I can just go to it, and then I can go to uninstall device, and then just remove it from my computer. And it looks like it's going to load, and let's scroll on down. So it looks like I'm going to have to do this a couple more times just to remove it here. So we have the option to disable device as well. We can try that, but let's go ahead and just remove this by uninstalling it. And then going down, and it looks like I got a few more options to do. So I'm just going to remove everything with that name, and then hopefully this gets it off my computer. So for example, here's a bunch with my old Galaxy X9 or S9 phone that I no longer have. So I might just go through here and delete all these too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.